We chose HealthcareSource for performance management mainly because we were currently position manager clients, and we knew what HealthcareSource was about. We knew the company and what they represented. One of the best features for us that we like about HealthcareSource in general is the internet-based application, that we can access it anywhere from any PC and any location. We have managers that work across multiple sites, so it's very convenient for them as long as they have internet access to access the product. Being an internet-based product, we also had the ability to implement it within our department without having to have a lot of IT support, so we were able to do it on our own schedule, and that was really important. The capabilities and features that Performance Manager offers that we use are the job description library and the appraisals, as well as the training model and the competency checklists. We also utilize the goals, the feedback, and the license tracking. Performance Manager has helped our organization by having one system online that's accessible to all employees and managers and HR for tracking all of the trainings, licensure, and appraisals. It automatically sends out the notifications and reminders to all the employees, as well as the notifications to the managers when employees are coming due or become past due. It's helped us mostly with the reporting feature, that we can run reports of who's completed certain trainings or tasks, who is outstanding on certain trainings and tasks, and it's enabled our managers to be more self-sufficient in managing their employees. It's giving them the tools that they need. Same reports that we can provide them, they can provide themselves. Performance Manager has helped us with compliance from just the perspective of tracking the information as well as reporting on it to our CEOs. But in addition to that, the regulations that we face from the healthcare industry, we were initially a JCAHO certified facility. We've had JCAHO surveys come through and they've been very impressed with our tracking system. We have specific auditors that come through for different department specific, such as lab and home health. And I know our home health manager initially was very excited and continues to be when her auditors come through, and they're very satisfied with the tracking and the information that we house in Performance Manager. We are now a D&V site, and we've had several D&V surveys that were successful with the information that we have in Performance Manager. My overall experience with HealthcareSource, I have to say, starts back in 2004 when we implemented Position Manager, and it was an enjoyable experience. We learned a lot, and it was a different type of implementation and experience back then. In 2008, when we started implementing Performance Manager, we became a lot closer to the Performance Manager staff, to a point of where you even feel like your family. You can call and talk to people, you know who they are because of the user conference. You can put the face and names together. They always remembered who I was. Like I would say, oh, this is Christy, and sometimes I would say, oh, this is Christy with Samaritan Health Services. And I would never have to say who I was with. They always knew who I was, and that meant a lot. They're very responsive and receptive to calls, questions, and ideas. HealthcareSource has always taken the client feedback and put that into results. Very next upgrade we ever received in any of our products, you would always see one or two things that Samaritan submitted. And maybe other sites submitted them too, but we like to believe it was a Samaritan idea. And that's been very, very important to us as an organization to know that our feedback is welcomed and responded to.